In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can emote hop here in Evade on Xbox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is by far one of the fastest movement techniques in the entire game, and essentially combines bunny hopping with moving emotes to reduce friction and increase your sliding distance. First things first, obviously you're going to need to have a moving emote. This will not work unless you have that. Some good options are like the gritty, the bold march, backslide, the default dance is pretty good as well. Go ahead and get any of those. Obviously a standing emote is not going to work because of course you are going to have to stand still and that'll stop your movement completely. Now to do it on Xbox, essentially you need to start by sprinting forward, building momentum. You can also jump and bunny hop consistently, and I actually just fell through a portion of the map real quickly. That's awkward. But you can jump to pretty much build up momentum as well. And after you go ahead and do that, what you want to go ahead and do is, of course, jump. And while you're in the air, quickly flick your right stick to turn your camera 180 degrees. So as you can see, you could flick while in midair, just like so. Now, while you're also in midair, go ahead and press up on the D-pad to open up your emote wheel. And after you do that, go ahead and select any of your emotes. But as soon as you land, you're going to want to crouch or slide, and this will obviously allow you to go ahead and do your emote mid-air, keeping all that speed and all that momentum. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.